fucking jamming in there.
Oh, man. I dig the charger there.
She, primitive garage, what's up?
So you got some work done.
We did.
That's good. So now what?
Really need a fucking fan hub tool.
Well, let's go and find one.
You wanna buy a 7.3?
No, I don't want to buy a 7.3. I already have 7.3. It's in full work mode.
It's just as much of a roach as yours.
That, no. You know why it's not a roach? You know why? You know why it's not a roach? You know why? I'll show you why it's not a roach. I'll show you exactly why it's not a roach.
It's not a roach.
It starts right up. How is it a roach?
This morning. Mine would do that too if
Yeah,
I put a can of
fucking-
ether in it and ran it.
Yeah, put a can of ether in it. I'll put a can of ether in you. Oh, look, we're upside down now. Cool. No, we're not. Fuck that
See, I was
fucking
pointing
thing.
at it. It's nice.
Fuck that thing.
I think so nice.
Fuck that thing.
I'm poking its eye.
It's slow. It's not. Well, you have yet to. Shut up. That's how we get copyrighted. So today on the agenda, where'd you go?
Eject those Cedo cones.
Today on the agenda, we are going to go and find a fan hub tool so we can finally get Fat Boy's 12 valve out of his truck. If you don't remember the 12 valve, if you go to my what video of you?
It was junk in the Nissan.
Yeah, I think it's like my second video. Probably my second video I've ever uploaded on this channel. I put a clip of the 12 valve towing the old Nissan that I had. You just gotta watch the video.
The drift truck.
It was a drift truck. It was clad, rotted. It was alright. Best $120 I ever spent. Can't even deny that it wasn't. It was $120. I paid $120 for a fucking full running and driving truck. It wasn't full, but it was running and driving. Anyway, we're gonna go find a fan hub tool in the work truck. Jesus. You always get your passenger to steer for you while I get the camera out so we can film the trip there. Here, take it.
This thing on or what?
Yeah, it's on. It's
crack,
recorded
bro.
right now. So in the last video, you see how much? Oh, hold on. Full can. Always got. Look at that. She's a little grumpy. It's okay. But in the last video, the Mighty Max video, the quality was so much better. That was on my buddy Tony's camera, and I liked the outcome of that video so much that I went and bought myself a camera. So now we're not gonna have main GoPro videos anymore. We'll still do some GoPro shots every now and then, but this is the main channel camera now. So we're gonna have great quality videos from now until I just die or stop making videos, which hopefully is never. We're in the 7.3 because I just like driving it. It's fun. Fat kid behind the camera is judging me, so we're trying to get some stuff done. Some winter projects going on. Winter's almost over. It's pretty nice out today, not gonna lie. That's my boy. He knows what's up. He always be headbanging. He do be vibing though. But we're gonna go to this AutoZone. I hope they have it. I don't know if they're gonna have it or not.
I think it was clapped out.
Yeah, I think it was.
What's rattling around over here?
Huh?
Something rattling over here.
I got these little door panels.
Well,
It's my injectors are in there. For the 24 valve. They're just chilling. They're vibing.
no, they're no good.
Oh, wait, did someone say coal cam? Zero to 100 cool?
Two hours later.
That was 80. about to destroy this Subaru in front of me because they don't know how to party. But the truck runs pretty good. The transmission took it like a champ. It probably won't do that the next time. But we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna run until it stops. Hopefully it doesn't stop anytime soon because I don't feel like walking home. What the fuck are you zooming in on? My America pin?
Yeah.
America.
What up, piggy?
Slam! Ain't no ticket today. It ain't hooked up, buddy!
Yeah, if he slammed on his brakes right there.
I would be so upset. Well, guys, I'm starting to GoFundMe to get me out of jail, so. Oh, great, he's gonna meet us at this light. I wish you could write on red here. It'd be pretty tight.
You could.
But I'm not gonna.
You bitch.
The piggy station right down the road.
Great goose, baby.
How about this is wild? I'm a fucking slut for water, let me tell you. I don't know what that was. Ah, fuck! Another one. What the fuck, Richard? What is this? You're just gonna park that there? What the fuck?
Serious?
I'll push this bitch with the plow. What the fuck?
You, bro.
What you doing, you fucking schmuck?
That's fucked up.
God. Welcome to the village of Walden. No one knows how to fucking park on the side of the street. Where the fucking tools at? Alright, we got the tools. Stop, don't hit that. Come on, easy. I don't want to put a new one in it. So we got the tools. But we're gonna go and
It'll be so much cleaner than a truck.
yeah, don't fucking mention it. We're gonna rush on back to the house and I'll come back when we're taking this fucking fan hub apart. But hopefully this engine, Jesus Christ.
What the fuck?
I don't know what's going on. I need to learn how to use this camera. Hopefully we have that engine out today. That'd be pretty dope if we did. You think we can get it out today?
Yeah, but I don't want to.
You're such a lazy piece of shit. We're getting the engine out today. So we've returned with the tool. Is it the right size? Look at that. It'll work. Is it loose already?
No, it's just spinning the pulley.
Oh, good.
And this isn't going back on either, so you need a fan clutch?
No, I'm not putting a fan clutch in mine either.
Trans cooler's not going in it. Rip that off.
Did you rip it off, or did you take it off, or did you break it off?
You tell me.
Oh. Yeah, I think it's safe to say it's not going back on there.
What the fuck?
You know how to use one of them things?
It hits me in the fucking mouth.
I would fucking cry. Cold start challenge. What do you
Guess I got into it at one point, huh?
Oh God!
I don't even remember.
Man was in the bag. Is that from Christmas? Is it from Christmas?
Maybe.
You fucking drunk.
God!
Did you drop it in there?
No, it's not. I see it.
Oh. Trying to take a fucking alternator off.
You know what else I lose a lot?
Your patience?
My goddamn magnet.
You don't just stick it to the side of your box?
Yeah, usually. Fucking dirty nips.
Dirty nips. Nice nips, cupcake.
Nice nips, cupcakes.
Giving them the ass.
Well, there's so many. There's fucking.
Cut them.
do you mean?
Just cut them.
No.
Why not?
Because I'm going to paint it and put it back on.
You're gonna keep that all there? Oh yeah, I mean.
What the
still
fucking all
good.
there is good. Just clean it up.
It's probably got like a whole gallon of oil in it.
No, it's just lubricate.
Yeah, it's lubricated till it fucking locks shut. So let's get an update.
So we got the front off. Turbo, manifold.
Oh, we did. I didn't see that. We did pull the manifold. Manifold did come off. Turbo was off. You guys saw that.
Got my makeshift hood stack half a kit that I started building.
Yeah, that's off.
That's all sold. Don't even
Yeah. Turbo's gone. Sold already.
ask. Don't even ask.
Progress. What else needs to come off, or is taken off, and what needs to come off?
Motor mounts. I have to look at that side of the engine because I don't know what wires and everything need to come off of over there.
Crack!
Alright, the fucking mirror.
You were nowhere close to the mirror.
I could be.
Show me. Show me again. Alright, you were a little bit close.
Was that the mirror?
No, that was like the base of it, like right next to it though. Cram!
Cram! Where's the coolant? Oh. Never mind.